At isa pang magandang advantage ng Canadian Experience Class is walang settlement funds, walang show money. 4 months lang yung hinintay namin para lumabas yung permanent residency papers namin. Ganito kung paano ko siya ginawa. So ang bilis ng panahon, mag-iisang taon na pala mula nung na permanent resident kami dito sa Canada at ang dami na rin nagtanong sa akin paano yung ginawa ko at hindi ko pa rin sila nasasagot. So itong video na to ay long overdue na. So kung interesado ka, makinig ka lang. So just a very quick disclaimer, I do not represent anyone other than myself. I'm not a legal immigration agent or immigration whatever. This is just based from personal experience. We would not go into much detail but on a bird's eye view, merong dalawang streams so far ang alam ko. It's either federal or provincial. Federal is diretso na siya sa national government or federal government. Sa provincial, mag-a-apply ka muna sa province na magno-nominate sa'yo. For example, British Columbia or BC, Saskatchewan, Alberta, Manitoba, Ontario. Ang maganda sa provincial nominee program is dadagdagan nila ng 600